Assalamualaikum students. How are you today? Good. You look so good. Before we start, let's begin with a prayer so our learning session runs smoothly and bring us benefit. Let's pray together. Enough. Okay, good morning dear. Before we start learning session, look at your friends on your right and on your left. There's anyone absent from the class? Oh, Nora is absent. Is she's not feeling well? Alright, let's say prayer so Nora can recover quickly. Pray together. Enough. Okay, don't forget to take care of your health and stay motivated learning. Are you ready for study? Okay, before we start studying, let's sing along with Miss to national music. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke. Do you know about this song? Let's sing together. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke, berjajar pulau-pulau, sambung menyambung menjadi satu. Itulah Indonesia. Okay, enough. Okay, let's move it. Last week we learned about the usually of electrical energy, right? Okay, right. Nice. Today, we learn about the economy activity in your local area. Are you ready for studying? Okay, let's go. Okay, studies. Miss, have a question for you. What do you usually buy at the small shop, like Alfamart, Indomart, or Warung Madura? Okay. In your opinion, who makes the item and where do they come from? Do you know? Okay. All right. Nice. Next, what is the difference between a want and a need? Can you give me an example from your experience? Okay. Can you give it? Right. Okay. Adi, what your opinion about this? Okay, nice. Next, Miss have a last question. If someone live in a coastal area, what kind of job you think they might have? Do you know about this? Alright, Miss have some material to present today. Please pay attention to the PowerPoint on the screen and listen carefully until Miss finish. Let's not make unnecessary noise, okay? Economy activity. Economy activity are activities carried out by humans to fulfill their needs and also to maintain her life. The economic activity of people in a region are very diverse and depend on geographic condition, natural resource, human resource, and infrastructure region. Nice. Okay, humans need based on the intensity of their use. First thing is primarily, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, the first thing is primarily. This is some need must to be have when you live. What is clothing? Is what Miss wear is a sweater or batik or hijab. Next, food and the shelter. Food is what we should need, and shelter is house. Secondary is in the middle of the primarily and tertiary. This is electronic, books, and makeup. Why? Look at Miss. Miss use electronic to give your material today. This next is books. Why books? Because of you studies is in the school is studying must have book to notes what missing. Okay, the last is makeup. Why makeup? Because Miss should wearing a lipstick because to look fresh. Okay, the last The last is tertiary. Arts offers their travel, musical instrument, or anything. The next is economy activities in the screen. Now, earlier I mentioned study something about the small shop or warung Madura. Are you curious about where the item in the shop or warung Madura come from and how they reach us? Do you know about this? Nice. On the screen is a structure of the item. We can stay on the warung Madura or toko or swalaya. The first thing is production. Production is the activity of the producing or creating good or service. People who carry about the product activities are called the producer or the produce. The next step is distribution. Distribution is the activity of the channeling production result from the producer to the consumer. This is the middle of the process. The distribution actor are called distributor. Do you know about the Shopee or marketplace, online marketplace, or courier, GNA, GNT, or anything? The next is consumption. This is us. This is us consumption. The makeup, the lipstick, the food, soft drink, or anything. The consumption is the activity of reducing the unitary value of goods or service. A person who cares out of consumption activity is called consumer. This is us, this is me, this is you, and our parents, our people around the world. Alright, the next is economy activity around me. One is agriculture. Example is Yogyakarta, Bandungan, Wonosobo. Nah, a type of business activity that impairs the cultivation and planting the type of the crops in the agricultural sector are food crops. Example from the point one is rice, vegetable, and fruit. The second point is animal husbandry, a type of business activity that cares for a breed certain animal. Usually, the animal economy that are farmers are animal that have economic value, meaning that later this animal will be traded either in the form of animal or in the form of the meat then can be consumed by humans. The third point is fisher. All activity relate to the management and utilization of fish research and their environment from the pre-production, production, processing to market. In the traditional market in Pasar Minggu, the fourth point is a plantation or activity that cultivate certain plants on land and or other growing media in a sustainable ecosystem. Then goods and then the goods and the market with the help of science and technology capital on management relates to prosperity for plantation, business actor, and the community. Next is point 5 about the economic activity around me as a meaning. The point 5 in this PowerPoint is an economic activity that includes research, management, and exploitation of the material or coral by the meaning of digging the surface of the earth or exploring the seabed. The point 6 is trade. The economic activity consumer products with the consumer. Industry and economic activity that are processing raw materials into the semi-finished or finished. The last point is service. An economic activity that involves activation, interaction with consumer, but does not with the result in the transfer of ownership of good. Okay, the next is what I am studying. Okay, health studies. Why this class feels so nicely, like a market? Is anyone selling something here? Okay, to boost our learning spirit this morning, let's follow Miss to instruction and sing together. If Miss sing, it's me. Hi, I'm a teacher, it's me. And your answer is at school time. Everybody agree. Okay, let's drink together. It's me. Hi, I'm a teacher, it's me.
Let's go! Time! Everybody agree!
Let's focus on the screen for the last material. Economic factor. Economic actor. Economic actor are parties who carry out economic activity whether in the form of production, distribution, and consumption. And they individually or groups or government or private or community or organization. Supporting a factor for the economy in our region. Regional economy is an important aspect that needs to be considered for the progress of a country. If the economic condition of the region improve, the poverty will decrease. On the hard, if the other hand, if the economic condition in a region are bad, the poverty rate in a region will increase. Okay, let's move it. For the next step is try observe in the around your house what kind of job do most the people have. Before this, Miss need Shakira to answer what Miss question about this. Okay, Shakira, thank you for the answer. Shakira said, in the around Shakira house, job is most people have is what Shakira is? A singer, a teacher, and a doctor. If the analysis from the Shakira answer, the conditional of Shakira is a city. Before Miss and the learning today, Miss have a student worksheet. Now, Miss have two assessment of you. You can make a circle. You can make a circle, a small circle, and Miss should give you the LKPD. The LKPD point one is this one. Instructional for working is connect for the following and describe the according to the correct answer. For example, the point one is a production, distribution, or consumption. Yes, the production. There's pictures in the middle of the picture one. You can answer from with your circle and with your friends. Okay. The second worksheet is you can describe an analysis on your column with the variation type of the allocation in each area. The point one is in the big city, second is in the lowland village and the highland village and on the coast. For the example one, Shakira said is a doctor, singer, and teacher. Where the location? Big city. You can answer this. Okay. For mix will be. Okay, let's the drift into the groups from Shakira until the Adi is a group one. From Adit until Laura is a group second, and the last one group is from what this yes, this is Chika until the Lara. Okay, the last group. Okay, Miss have giving you 13 minutes to complete the worksheet group. Okay. Okay, thank you, studies. The next is you present to the in front of class. Okay, thank you, students, from the present on your answer. The next we'll work on the evaluation question. Please complete them individually. Okay. Miss giving you 10 minutes to answer the evaluation question. Okay. Once you finish, please exchange your work with the friends next to you. Okay, after Miss reviewing your work, Miss see that you have made the KKTP standard score. Now please continue by doing the answerment question at home. You can bring on your home and please submit the next meeting, giving me your answer and your worksheet to the table Miss before we studying. Okay, thank you, student. Okay, let's end the class with a prayer. Nora, can you close the study today, learning today? Okay, let's pray. And Let's end today's lesson with a prayer. Thank you, Naura. See you next week, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, studies.